Kudos Mining Guide, how to start earning Kudos step by step, that gives you $11.5 every day. Kudos Mining rewards each user $11.5 every day. Welcome to Okpotatv. I'm Sunday, your online how to coach. If you are looking for a way how to earn money online without spending hours on end, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the Kudos Cash Club. Many of you have been asking about this platform, on how to mine Kudos, how to exchange it, how to check the price of the Kudos, and how to maximize your earning. If you want more strategy on how to save and grow your money, hit that subscribe button at the bottom there. It's 100% free to join, and it helps you to stay on top of all our latest content. Also, don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel for daily updates. I have pinned the link to join in the description of this video and in the comment section of this video. Just go straight to the comment section on the description, click it, and it will direct you to our WhatsApp channel or our Telegram channel. Before we jump into the dashboard, I need to address a common question regarding my previous video about Referral rewards and why those withdrawal option vanish. It's a must watch if you are into crypto rewards. I have linked it in the description of this video so that you can catch up after this. Now let's get you set up with Kudos. You need to use the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Clicking that link take you straight to the official page, where you will see an exclusive invitation banner saying you have been invited to mine Kudos, and you will see this referral code showing up here. Then scroll down and you will see create account, just like what is showing on the screen. This is very important. You must create the account before you download the app. Use this code here to ensure that everything is linked correctly for a faster boosting. If you use that code, everything you are going to be doing will be ×2 fast and very easier for you to operate on. Once you click create account, you will see the Kudos Cash Club menu. It's simple, where you will enter your details that you can remember. Your original details, you will input it in the following open space that you have been seeing. You input your first name, then input your last name. Coming to your username, you must input a username that you can remember, because if you want to log in into a new device, you need it, very important. And putting a username that you don't remember can get you locked out of your account. So make sure you put a name that you can remember. Example, you can add your surname and your name, which means your father name and your name. You add the two together, you put it at the place of the username. Then enter your email address. Only put the email address that you have access to, because a verification code will be sent to you in that email. Next is your password. This is just like a key to your front door house. If you lost it, no entry. So you must input a strong password that you can remember, and make sure you double check the referral code. It should be exactly what is showing here, because this code is going to boost your earning every day. And if you miss it, instead of you to be increasing S3, it will now be something 1, which is going to delay your mining. So you make sure you input that code. The next is your gender. That option is asking if you are a man or a woman, a male or a female. So if you are a man, select the one of the male where the arrow is pointing, and if you are a woman, select the one of the female. After that, you hit that sign up. Then Kudos will immediately send a 6-digit OTP code to that your email address that you input. And when opening that your email or registering this account, do not tell or share your OTP code with anyone, and do not close your browser during this time that the OTP code has been sent to you, until you copy it from your email address and paste it in that Kudos website and verify it before you can close it. And if you have not verified it, don't close the process. Now that Kudos have sent you the OTP code, go straight to your email address, either your Gmail, your Hotmail, any email company that you have been operating with. Go straight to that particular email address, open it, and you look for the message that comes from the Kudos. You will see it just exactly what is showing here. Write the code down and go back to the Kudos website, and from the 6 bars that are there, you type in one by one until you type the 6 digits. After you have typed it, then you click on the verify, and if you did it right, you will get a verified notification that say welcome to the club. Now that you are in, next is how to kickstart your Kudos mining. And to do that, you click on your profile where the arrow is pointing at the top right corner there, and you will see your command center in Kudos. In that command center, you have access to the following options showing there. Option 1, payable balance. Option 2, pending withdrawal. Then other dashboard. Click on the mine code where the arrow is pointing. This brings you to the mining dashboard where you will see your current mining rates. Mine is currently 0.71173 per hour, but it increased sometime, and your total mine balance is located here where the arrow is pointing. Then make sure you click on start mining and watch those numbers begin to move instantly. Is that not simple? If you find it very simple, tell me in the comment section. And remember, you must be consistency, because consistency is the key here. You have to check this mining once. Only if you program your alarm to the time you think this mining is going to expire in the next day. Notice, if you start the mining now, it's going to expire the next day, exactly the same time you start it now. So when you are setting the alarm, make sure you set it towards the time you start it now against tomorrow, so that when it expires, the alarm will quickly remind you and you go there to tap it once for 24 hours. Coming to the exchange and the risk, many of you want to know about the money. To do that, click on the exchange where the arrow is pointing. Please read the notice carefully. This is a static access environment. It's for internal trading, and you might see the Kudos/the USD. Under it, you will see market, limits, stop, and sell. Just what is showing on the screen. If you want to check the price of the Kudos at that moment, then where the arrow is pointing, type in the number of Kudos that you want to know the price. That is where you check it inside that box, and you will see the estimated amount in USD. By the time creating this video, Kudos is rewarding users $11.5 every day. So if you are watching this video right now, rush to the link in the comment section or in the description of this video to create your account before it gets too late. Receiving 17 Kudos a day, and when you convert it into dollar, is $11.5 every day, and you move it into your wallet, from your wallet into your local bank account. Imagine the free money that Kudos is giving users right now. If you decide to trade, remember the price goes up and down. Only trade what you are comfortable with, and always check the fee if you want to withdraw or buy. You that want to sell, the price currently now when making this video, which is around 0.2% of what you are selling. Make sure you check it so that you don't get surprised of any deduction that may take place when you are selling that your Kudos. Coming to referring aspect, Kudos promise to reward users that can bring any person into the platform, just as me showing the process on how you can get started with this Kudos. Kudos give you 20% as you join instantly of mine, and when you successfully verify your KYC, it increased to 50%. So remember to input the code that I just showed to you for you to boost your earning. And if you want your point to be more faster and faster, try to hold your token for long term. And to do that, scroll down to where the arrow is pointing. You can lock your code for 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, even up to 6 years. This is a great way to commit to your mining journey. That is the full breakdown of getting started with Kudos. And if you follow this step, you will be mining in no time. And if you run into any issue, drop your comment below. I read all your comments. Remember, if you have not seen my video on why your Opera reward withdrawal vanish, go and watch it right now to keep your asset safe. And for your next step in your mining journey, click on this video showing at the screen. It's the perfect next project to add to your portfolio. Thank you for watching Okpotatv. I will see you in the next video.